आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मानव इतिहास का ऐसा ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है।
The Global AI Impact Summit is a defining moment in India's tech history. A moment when India pledges to make AI one of the driving forces.
Now, the future of artificial intelligence is being scripted as we speak right here in India. India has officially made its stride into the global spotlight as it hosts the AI Impact Summit 2026. Now, this is a 5-day mega summit at the Bharat Mandapam that's not just about technology, but also about direction, about power, about purpose. In fact, some came out of it saying that it's not just about AI, but it's about the humans who are leading that AI. This isn't another tech conference, it's a global gathering, we are told, where world leaders, innovators and startups are asking the big question. Who is shaping the role of AI for global governance?
The Geo AI stack goes far beyond data centers. It is being built as a complete end-to-end AI ecosystem spanning infrastructure, high-capacity computing, platforms, frameworks, and real-world applications, creating a full-stack foundation for India's AI journey.
आप बताएं कि आप किस उपयोग मामले के बारे में जानकारी चाहते हैं। हिंदी या अंग्रेजी में ही जवाब दे सकते हैं।
What you have in front of you is a demonstration of how content creation capabilities can be explored.
इंडिया का सौभाग्य दिखाई देगा कि AI will be inclusive for all Indians and will power a billion Indians. It makes a big difference to every single Indian that ये PM का initiative
यो आत्मानं जय तत्स्य जया सर्वत्र सिद्ध्यति। सबसे महान विजय शत्रुओं के रक्त से नहीं लिखी जाती, बल्कि उस मन की शांति में अंकित होती है जिसने अंततः स्वयं पर विजय पा ली हो।
At the time of Mahabharata, how Kashi would have looked like.
महाभारत का धृतराष्ट्र का कैरेक्टर कैसे बनाया गया है, तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि एक पहले हम धृतराष्ट्र का कैरेक्टर बनाते हैं, फिर AI के सॉफ्टवेयर में इसका पूरा प्रॉम्प्ट दिया जाता है। जब ये प्रॉम्प्ट पूरा बन जाता है तो AI एक इमेज जनरेट करता है।
At the intersection of AI, creativity and entertainment, JioStar unveiled its vision for the future of content creation. A personalized AI studio enabled visitors to create custom memes, generate original animated narratives, and experience historic cricket moments through AI-powered multilingual commentary, transforming every interaction into a unique story of its own.
I think what we're seeing here at the event is a fantastic confluence of society, government and corporates coming together to really ask the question, how can we create impact?
Innovative, informative, amazing. The quality of outputs.
That impressed me a lot.
But बहुत अच्छा लगा ये देख के. Setting the great benchmark.
Artificial intelligence is not just another technology. For the first time, humans are creating human-like systems that can learn, speak, analyze, move, and produce autonomously. AI is the mantra that powers every yantra